Hello traders. Here is a new video in which I show my daily routine, a step-by-step guide for Malaysian SNR Daytrading. As an example, I use GU and I always start with the daily time frame. With my Gann swing chart indicator, we can clearly see that the current daily trend is an uptrend. Now I'm looking for daily support levels, especially at areas of former distribution. To simplify this process, I use my Malaysian SNR indicator. I use these settings for this particular setup and increase the number of levels below the current price. Then I mark the levels using rays and assign my daily drawing template to them. After that, I switch to the weekly time frame and also search for fresh levels of support. Again, I mark them using rays and assign my weekly template to them. When I'm done, I hide the Malaysian SNR indicator. Some weeklies are also daily levels, which makes them even more significant, so I give them a special label. As we can see, the 4H time frame is also bullish, but price is very extended to the upside, so I'm awaiting a larger retracement. At 8:30 we have high-impact news, so most likely I will not trade before that. Now I switch to the 15 minutes time frame and wait till we reach the London session. We come into the session with a bearish 15 minutes trend. Price hit the daily support, but in order to turn to a bullish structure, we'd had to close above this high that made the last low. As you can see, this does not happen. So my idea is that the daily support will not hold and that price will come down to one of the next fresh daily support levels. We can trade this, but we have to be aware that this is a move which is counter-trend to the daily uptrend. I prefer to trade with the higher time frame trend. This setup might be an exception, but that's another story that shall be told another time. Alright, we come to the New York session and the 8:30 news. The trend is down, but the 15 minutes news candle doesn't change the direction. Price rejected from this distribution area, so I assume it will come down even more to this daily and weekly support. We are coming down, but not really reaching the support level. To turn to a bullish structure, we had to close above the high of this last downside leg. But we are building another bearish structure with another resistance that has to be broken, but this time price hit the daily support. If we turn bullish, this could be a great opportunity to go long, but the problem is that we are pretty late already in the New York session. A move like this will take too long and exceeds the session's time window. So I decided to check if I can find an entry at a lower time frame like the 5 minutes or even lower. Okay, here we can already see a rejection of the last support and the wick is a sign of buyers stepping in, followed by a strong bullish candle that breaks previous resistance. So I place a trade here, stop loss to the last swing low. You can go with a fixed risk to reward like 1.5 or 2R. Here is an area of distribution to that we can hold the trade, or we take partials at this zone and let the trade run to the daily level above. Pretty nice. And we also hit the daily level, which would be a risk to reward of around 2.5R. I posted this setup in the TG Member Premium Discord. I found a good entry on the 2 minutes chart. Every single day I post Malaysian SNR setups there, the levels, directions, and entries. Become a TG member on my Patreon. Get the indicator, the ebook, and the Discord access. The link is in the description below. Here you see the call that I made today in the Discord and then the live chart for GU. We are trading from a daily support level in the direction of the higher timeframe trend. Here I show the ultimate goal for this trade, the next fresh daily level. And then we reached the last TP. Okay guys, I really hope that you can benefit from this video. If you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Links to the Patreon and the Discord are in the description below. See you soon here on the Trading Guide.